Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hiyo lana eti pu 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 pu.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just hit home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can come any day. You can come and we play. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
What's happening?
You ikupluga mayo.
Itazenze kubusa hapa napha. Like Mike.
Ngatsape ngumuntu wonke
Eh.
ngaphandle kuka Bruce. Vele it's always like that. Umnikazi wediri lebezilakusele. Engathi idiri lakhe selivuthile. Uyithe kuma sidelines.
Bruce WhatsApp wathi.
No, he didn't even say anything. It was me who looked for him in the morning. Because I wanted to make sure I get him to come here. So I was like, hey man, sadly for me, I'm a man of my word, bro. So let's link up and do this thing. Everything.
Are you really taking one for the team? I wouldn't do such a thing.
Hayi.
ufundise
Abona umuntu ongazitshaya noyazile.
no but on this one nje kwakuvela ukhanya ngakutshela mina those boys lack character.
Lina vele liseli elingatunanzeli sesivelelwe lapha ngoba mafoto upho ngikhuluma something random.
No, I told you out of that was expect information. I've coached soccer before.
And here we are.
I've coached soccer.
Ngento zikaMbappe. Manje
Soccer.
libhathi likaMbappe. And amajita biza focus and where is the clip of me talking about ukuthi Madrid is going to get knocked out and PSG is going to lift it, and then this whole thing is about umnyama kaMbappe.
No, you did say something like that.
Yeah, I did say it in the previous episode.
Yeah.
I said uzabona so. Endilakanye. This
is you trying to defend yourself.
No.
No, on the law.
No, I'll take it. It's fine.
Yeah.
I'm going to take my claps. I know ukuthi the block is hot.
Yeah, the block is hot.
But if PSG versus Arsenal, listen to me.
Ndoda ungafaka ama wager la. Ndetha lawe ndoda awuzizweli.
The more claps the better. Put another clap wager up. Better perona.
If Arsenal knock out the PSG and they qualify for the final, I'll allow my 40.
Nah.
Well, unfortunately, PSG is going to win that match. So yeah.
And you say,
kumele sibe creative ngale. Why ufuna ukukhetha impama ndoda?
oh,
Kana ngane le fetish yokuchama impama.
Finger faka lezi. Selifuna finger faka na
Ule fetish yabamba. Now imagine your mom stay. Imagine your mom stay.
Uma sari maybe ngawuhlalile ke.
Imagine
Vela
your mom
lapha ade
stay.
sembona ukuthi namhla vela sari
Imagine
coach
your mom stay.
podcast.
You know my mom doesn't even watch the podcast.
Oh.
I fucking made sure, dog. That's why I can speak with such immunity.
Mina ngafaka advert hello blowjob.
Okwenzela. Amzwa masale busi vele lirekodelanga.
Yeah, so vele ya.
So lami mphongo ukuthi angena phela lapha ubona ama gents.
Also vele bezibonela ama gents.
Yena vele bezobona ama.
But PSG is going to beat the hell out of Arsenal anyway, so.
And then what final are we looking for?
PSG
Barcelona.
PSG Barca.
Mafodi ungabe 100%. Ubonile ukuthi Aston Villa yabathwalisa nzima abantu laba.
Okay. Ralph.
If
If you watch the match, if you watch how PSG plays, man, if you watch how PSG plays,
This is the monster
I'm
created
telling
now.
you. Telling you. Because how they play, bro. Because of how they play.
Mina, I'm worried. If Barcelona makes it to the final, why that?
Not if PSG makes it to the final.
No,
If PSG makes it to the final,
Barcelona.
PSG will win.
Yeah, but not against Barcelona. Okay, this is not a prediction. This is just
Yeah,
my heart's
yeah.
desire. It would really just make me a bit happier if PSG, I mean, if Barcelona just doesn't make it to the final, and then if Barcelona can still go take Copa del Rey.
Next 26 next week.
Yes, really twela magapa vuza these days.
Next week.
Wena ama-match abo tricky njani?
Ndota.
But if you look how PSG is playing as a team, how they arrange themselves, how they play.
They play.
That's why they came back. Got those 2 goals against Villa. Because they never stopped. Because they never stopped. They never stopped. Mbappe in the first match, throughout. Bellingham at 60 minutes is solo.
Bellingham vele at 60 minutes ubese off. Ubese lokho lokho donsa abantu bafuqela phansi.
So at the end of the day, because I told you they lacked character, those boys. You won't listening.
Mbappe nomnyama wakhe.
Yes, bafana lani? Bafana le Brazil like 2014. Ukuthi yeyigcwele le boys is blind but
they just couldn't gel.
Yeah, because Arsenal, it's not that Arsenal was a good team, was a better team. Right?
But they were solid, bro.
I'm not saying. What I'm saying is they found a very weak.
The defense. Real Madrid is Hamile Joe.
But Real Madrid, obviously, Peki have food and injuries are manning. But
anyway,
doesn't matter.
As also only as Chaimpama. Then
that's what happened.
Just also Kazon.
So
Chicks are on the line.
Apparently, Arsenal wins. I'm gonna slap you.
I still say
Lena
when I say wait 50-50 la ngena ngeslathi for slathi la.
What?
Chick boys worldwide.
I was about to say, if he's saying chicks are on the line, which ones in particular it is? By this side.
Mina ngikhuluma isikhiwa ngikhuluma isneaker la. Isneakers khuluma Ralph.
Chicks are chicks.
Eh, so mina ngikhuluma ngala ngeslathi.
If someone says pork chicks, they mean both chicks.
But which chicks again? Because look, any team on the okay.
Yeah.
I don't know. When you sense when uhamba lani antu wena la kodwa la uhamba le PSG so so asiyekele asizivukile. I'll bring another wager for the final. Ngano labantu abangigejayo vele lapha kuma comments podcast. I
have a question though.
Yeah.
Wouldn't it be nice for once, like for Arsenal to just
No.
I'm just asking.
Just win.
Just for once. I mean, they've had it. It's been a long road to where they are right now.
That is very true.
So wouldn't it be nice for them to just make it?
Do you know what I think? That is actually a nice sentiment. But in Champions League. Champions League is too big.
Oh, come on, guys.
Recently, what? Or FA or something?
The last talk FA in 2020.
Oh, they had FA.
Yeah.
I think they must do league first.
It's simultaneous.
But Arsenal. But the reason why Arsenal won't win.
They can do
the reason why Arsenal won't win the Champions League is that's their nature. It's their nature to fumble.
I mean, yes, I will concede that.
No, it's their nature to fumble.
I will also admit that I was actively supporting Arsenal yesterday. I wanted
Arsenal in South Africa and the Proteas.
I really did want them to win.
The Proteas and Arsenal have the same syndrome.
Wow.
They'll always choke and fumble at the last minute.
They all choke and fumble.
That's also a Liverpool syndrome.
So Liverpool
Liverpool
sometimes get the job done. Arsenal, they never get the job done.
Is it about the Arsenal? They're doing a choke and fumble.
Arsenal abafazi bazo vela bafive.
Oh my God, come on, guys.
They choke and fumble.
Oh, come on.
Arsenal la uthi bangawina balokho big headed.
Very much chance.
It's not about being big headed.
I mean,
they've never been. You see, ngabantu abaqinisa into. And then the occasion gets the better of them.
Those niggas were posting Queen Elizabeth rocking their chairs yesterday. They were on top of the world.
Let the occasion get the better of them.
I pictures of them as if they are soldiers of that the American British War. Someone was posting statuses.
But this is the only time they'll be happy anyway. It's not like they're gonna get to the end. So
let them.
It's
been a long time coming.
Asina Arsenal efika ku final edliwa ibuza ubuhlungu bokudliwa ku final. Ithi lobo busabuncane Brisbane ngaphuma la abasoze bekhale because kuyathiwa hayi vele sikhithwe eMadrid. namfuna be ku-final bekhala ku-final
bedatshulwa i-Inter.
uthi ngifuna bechaye 1-0 futhi ku-final yazi i-fine margin ekona i-4-0
I-Inter Milan
1-0
badliwe kuyi-Inter ngoba double 1
bachaye 1 kuphela
Inter is dangerous like that manje.
and i-Inter ndoda yazishaye
Inter is
Bayern
dangerous like
ngencenga
that.
nje.
yeah
Inter is dangerous like that manje. Well, Bayern was never gonna go beyond. Bayern and Madrid were never gonna go beyond the quarterfinals. If you watch their matches, you would know.
hayi lokho Zavele was scraping it together to be honest
Yeah,
in Madrid for a long period he was scraping it together but with that kind of caliber of players you always hope there's gonna be sparks you know
individual brilliance.
individual brilliance is pretty much but as a cohesive team lamanyali you could see it wasn't there.
But which individuals? I want you to look at the Real Madrid of the past. Like even remember Real Madrid had Zidane, Ronaldo, Figo, David Beckham. The one before David Beckham joined won the Champions League. But the one with David Beckham, Sekona, about Ruud van Nistelrooy and whatever, they only won 1 league in 4 years.
Angoyali mafoti ikonsithi uyabusungasela cohesion as a team but usuthembeni individual brilliance. Ongathi which individuals because wasn't it last episode where I sat here and I read World 11 last year and 6 of the players are in Madrid's current squad.
And
they
Ma-
have
and,
yes.
and Madrid is not going to the Champions League.
That's what I'm saying. So I'm saying
Too
Guti,
many stars.
right
Too
when
many
you
cooks
They've
and the
had
one
better
pot.
stars than the current ones.
They have too many chefs in
They've
one
had
pot.
better stars than the current ones.
Yes.
In the short time with these boys, these are
Valid,
boys. We are
valid.
asking them to do a men's job. That's
Wow.
the difference.
Aye.
We are asking boys to do a men's job.
Okay.
Laba songani sise
As opposed to previous.
As opposed to
Ukhuluma
we are
njengedombo la.
also young when
Listen,
they finally
we are
got
asking
to
a defender
Madrid.
Real Madrid to behave like Sergio Ramos.
abantu okhuluma ngabo bakwinile last year isikhathi baboyinanga last of last year angasuthini uthi boys of a men's job
Yeah,
men's
but
of
we
a
need
boys job
ibadibeka ngama-holders.
Men's of
guys.
a-
boys of a
Those
men's
boys.
of a
Guys,
job
Okay,
Guys,
okay.
of a
There
choke
was
and
a
a
lot
hold.
of men's and
Guys,
jobs being
guys,
Men job.
Lina,
Blow job.
problem yenyu. Lina
man.
likhuluma ibhora ele blitz, ama rules, ama highlights nama foul tips. Yi-problem yenu lokudlala uFIFA.
Hayi, mafoti.
ngilikhuzile ngathi you have created a monster ngoma 40
Yi-problem. Kedliyo ama-predictions ngama-40 100% next time won't even go through. Dog, come on man.
Laba
Ungathi
sitholelwe la.
ungathi usitshela umuntu wathengisa amabhasi lapha epage.
Leyani ndaba leyana.
nini
I can't say this.
Udala.
Like someone bet on their buses, but the whole company, bruh.
fuck
And
Yeah.
guess which team they were betting on? Zimbabwe
Highlanders.
Saints.
Yabidliwa ndoda kuyini kona lo. Just that.
Yeah. Khona phani behave.
In Bulawayo bafo.
mina
Khona
vane
phani
ngayitshela
behave.
mina njengomuntu ongani usele usolo ngomthambo ukugambla kancane ngalitshela ukuthi
Wena la isibindi sakho anisinenga kakhulu. Into oswazibheja icho
shit
mleke.
imnandi le
Icho mleke edliwe $100 ndoda.
shit
Ibheja
imnandi
ayela
But
ndoda.
thank God because of Arsenal and Villa, what they did, England will have 5 teams in the Champions League next year. England will automatically have 5 teams in the Champions League next year.
okay
Yeah, at least that's a win for England.
yabo hayi mina ugambla kumnandi bangani bami you try sometimes abantu bemosi
Let's talk about the slap. Let's talk about this.
No, the slap is coming.
Would you still feel the same after the slap?
it's okay no but I'm a tough guy don't let the soft face fool you my boy I've been smacked plenty of times
I have a
Now
feeling,
my
I have a
first
feeling
rodeo.
we're gonna make a song about this, ne?
Is the slap going to be like, the professional slaps?
so
The one
kusiya
that we see, like, is it powder
so kusiya
properly
ngayo
setting you up
I-
and
I-
properly
I-
slapping
iphawuda
the
ikhona vele
daylights
emotweni.
out of you?
ubuyithu
Is that
ipawuda
the
Eh,
slap
ngele
then?
powder.
Mina the first aid kit. The first aid kit ready.
hayi
And
impama
a cotton
that the
now
one
they're
that
getting
you
these
want?
ice cubes. I'm ice cubes. I'm ready for a cotton number.
impama izanga ukuthi yena ufila njani ubhuti wami undlovini
Sincenga.
Sumnenga.
Impama ilolaka majens.
ugatsheni
Impama ifaka ulaka. Like,
And
don't
the
you
impama-
remember when you were
Where's
at
two?
school
Impama.
and someone slapped you and you just
Nxa-
wanted to die?
nxa
And this was
sizakulwa
the
nje
teacher.
kade
You
ulungisane
can't
inqindi
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what I'm
Anothi
saying. So
impama
impama ifaka ulaka. Like, I can't
But
wait.
guys,
to- I want to see it.
He paid for it. He paid for it. Yeah,
No, it's fine. You are a man of your word after all.
do you know the moment he came and he paid? Do you know how many people started upping me? Man, too many fit to Rihanna.
Yeah, video lena cause that's the
Ifoni
problem.
If it was on who foot.
yes ngifake ku-flight mode ifoni yami until like 3 in the morning price befona
No price here.
Besizosifonela mina. Besizosifonela mina.
He's invested more than me in this whole thing.
awutha uyafa
Yeah.
awutha uyafa But yeah, anyway, that's
welcome
Champions
to
League.
the BIO podcast. This is podcast 170, right?
Ladies and
Episode
gentlemen,
170.
welcome to another episode of the BIO podcast. Nyabona namuhla icamera yethu igqoka ingwanda lejuluka la.
Icala ligqokile vele.
Yebo.
Yeah.
Sengiyaqala ukuyiphotosa.
Last week.
Yeah.
Sneaker what? Sneaker care.
Sneaker care. Yeah.
They have another catchphrase, these guys. What hini?
Sweat for it.
Sweat for it.
Yeah. Sweat for it.
Yeah.
Chuluka nga JB.
JB is a different type of chulu.
Alright.
Uchulikiso kunye le. Yeah, uchulukisa ubunati. Lava bachulukisa trip.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, so
cool. That's actually dope. So
what else went down?
the tariff wars are still going on.
Abantu sebekhona befunda kathesi ukuthi izinto zabo zonke zivele China.
Guys.
I feel like
I
this
told you
was
Americans are
general
dull.
knowledge.
I told you Americans are dull.
No. It's not even about the citizens. I feel like you people abayenza into le ifast inelidala bakhona.
Why?
Kaduthini kathi.
I-iPhone iyakutshela ukuthi i-design we-states bakhetha ama-materials abo wonke base behambisa eChina because kule factory khona. So why acting shocked ukuthi Louis Vuitton ithetha ama-leather ayahambisa eChina ukuthi bayi-assemble?
Abantu
It's
basho.
not ukuthi the only problem is every time nxa umuntu ethwele into e-fake besihlala sibahleka. So Caressa, I feel like they feel like they've been vindicated, but they're not.
But if you watch the
They're
movie House of Gucci, it shows you how
Yeah.
the fakes actually come about.
Yeah.
I didn't see that.
There's a
Never
part in
watched
the House
it.
of Gucci where
I've actually not only watched the movie, I've even watched the documentaries because it's quite interesting how they got to where they are, how they got to even getting China to do the bags for them and their clothes and whatever. It's because of the family wars. I think it was a family company.
yeah.
Oh, is it?
So so it was a family company and it started with the family wars.
And it was
And-
specific to their leather. There was a
Yes,
specific
they were
cow.
specific and
They had a
even
specific
their
cow
families.
where their leather would come from. And it was an
Specific
Italian.
like utoto
A
lungu.
specific breed of cow.
Ubuqabani.
Yes.
Oh,
A
breed.
specific breed.
Oh,
A specific breed.
Uthi a specific cow.
A specific
No, I
breed in Italy that they were using.
yeah.
So guys, China ilama factory le machinery ning. It's not necessarily
Well,
that
the population
if things are
of
being
cheap
made
labor.
there, it's a problem. It's fine. Those things are still expensive. There's just a misconception here which people are feeling like it's common as say unit village or 5 past yiso esise diamond walk.
No, the quality is actually different. There.
No, yes, it is.
The quality of the leather
But
is
man, that's
different.
what they're running with.
Workmanship.
They're
What
saying
China
they're
does? What China does,
I
bruh?
mean, were
China
they
does
not-
what China does. China had to go, okay, we have two different markets.
mass
Let's
production.
let's do for that market with this quality, for this market with this quality. Everyone is happy. Everyone is an LV.
Yeah.
Labana, vele the people who are the most shocked about what's going on here are the people who are under the impression that China only makes fake goods.
Yeah.
They don't know the China lama grade. Even authentic stuff comes from China.
Exactly.
Thina ukuthi basazi ukuthi sithenga kulo Bengula Street. So awusize besithumezela iNike $45 or iNike $80. Aliyithengi. Yiko belithumezelani eMpondo. So when I was just amapholisa ugqoke eMpondo.
And guess what? But again, I don't know if the companies actually do that. House of Gucci, what was happening was one of the members
Yeah, bab.
of the House of Gucci was
Wenzani,
actually
Kathi
responsible.
lo yenzani lo ubungizongena.
one of the members of the house, one of the member of the Gucci family was actually making money from the fakes.
Oh,
Yes.
that sounds like a good businessman to me.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
he
For
was-
to him, yes.
Yeah.
He
But
was
even
fucking up the brand.
Yeah,
No, he
exactly.
was fucking up the brand because
Yeah.
now it was just mass production, no longer quality.
Yeah.
Okay.
It was now about making, because the whole idea of House of Gucci was it's a luxury brand. Not everyone is supposed to own it. Owning it is a symbol, it's a status symbol.
A status
And
symbol,
then
that's
now
true.
everyone could own it. Because they went public. He wanted to take the company public. That's actually what happened.
Yeah.
Jake, uyakwazi lokhu kufanana lani, kufanana lo muntu organize ama show ethi uyakwazi ukuthi vele VIP ayilandaba. Uzabona ukuthi eze generals yathaba njani. Yikho kwenzakala khona la.
Yeah, yeah.
Fala ukuthi
And
ngabantu
Yimi Lo Tabayo, I'm one of the people. that-
General.
I
You're one
am
of the
cheap
generals.
Ziyakholisa dude.
How? Kathi ku VIP lani lizwa the same music esiza ku general. Kathi bayibhatheleleni.
What the fuck did you expect?
I am that person. I am that you are speaking to me.
Because
Is
Twitter was
I am
going
that
off.
person.
Yeah, 38,000. Hey, vela ama celebrity. Hey, and I'm like, yeah, these niggas are mad. They
That's why
couldn't afford shit.
I think that's why I saw it. Was it your Twitter city? That's why they cleared my priests, my pastors.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Like they
Because
easily.
you're just gullible like that.
just believe anything.
No, but human beings, that's your nature.
That's the nature of dull people.
Oh, wow.
Mafoti tshethisa abantu ndoda.
Angithethisa abantu.
Khuluma ukuthethisa kulo muntu kuma-comments wathi Mafoti wayekuphikise enye ipoint yakho yenze.
I read the
Then ekugcineni wasesithi.
Ngathi ngizama ama-photo usifake edonkeni yakhonkotha. That's what you're talking about.
So kumele
That's our comment of the month.
So kumele introduce comment of the month.
Hayi, comment of the
Lena
month.
yesiyawina nje umember lana ngahleka into leni week yonke ngilokho embiyela ke ngithi ache.
My
We even say such shit.
Yeah,
So
Mdo Dali
guys,
says that stuff. Mdo Dali will go.
In the tariff thing,
Yeah.
what do you think is going to be the end game, or what do you want to be the end game?
Then the end game, haven't you arrived at the end game?
No, that was okay. My thing is, this is a very male fight.
Two bulls.
At the core of it, it's a male fight. It's really a Trump and him trying to show his cojones versus the Chinese president, who I don't know, showing his cojones as well. That is just
Big homies are for little niggas. Why not little niggas? We don't respect big homies. I never respected niggas in the streets.
That's why
I always got the problems I got. That's basically what's happening.
It is.
Yeah.
It's the crux
No,
of the story.
it's not really. Around
Those guys.
China had nothing. China is too late.
But
China is too late.
in as
China
much
is
Babe is
too
too late, China has actually been moving mad, bro.
Here's the thing.
China has
It's
been
not
moving
their
mad.
fault. It's not their fault that they're
The
moving.
value of the global market
No,
is
but then
cutthroat.
it's not their fault,
their
but they
fault
also
that
responded.
they're
They
moving.
clap back.
It's not their fault
What's
they have
wrong
the
with
population for
clapping
cheap
back?
labor. It's
No,
not the
no,
fault they have all. It's not their fault. They have all that. It's not their fault.
Mafoti, when I want to see
Yeah.
those guys have been moving mad.
Yes.
They make a lot of money from these brands. Bebenze manufacturing now.
Yeah.
For them to then allow their manufacturers to counterfeit. They've always, and you're watching now, fake into a coach China with you. So
True.
that time when everybody mad, even the Apple, IPA Apple business into up. Like they've been moving mad.
Dog, I saw this shit.
But it's not like-
No.
Even-
Man, they've been moving mad, and people were afraid to confront them because they have the cards.
No, yes,
this guy,
do have
this
it.
guy was just ambitious enough. But he's not.
Nale
Really.
partner, I understand. My problem is I'll never say tell America. Now I saw this news motor. Yeah, America is literally making consider America China.
China
is
no
literally
Dianza,
making
version of
I'm a
Africa.
knockoff.
fun.
Hey,
S class I told you Huang Qing Cho. S class is for me. He harm to the Chung Fa. Every fucking car, dog.
Everything.
I was watching Jeremy Clarkson a China equivalent. Them what else?
Zonke, hey. Those
But
guys
then,
have
man,
been
that's what
moving
free
mad,
market
bro.
economy is it not?
Free market, yes.
It's free market,
The
dog.
concept. It's
Yeah.
But
Well,
they've been
we-
moving
who
mad.
are we
But
paying
then now,
for that?
guess what China then went
They are
to,
not
went
victims
to
here.
do.
They've also been moving mad.
Guess what they went to do. Like they stopped imports of Boeing. They don't want to see any Boeing or in their parts in China. They've stopped importing beef and meat from America. And yet there's a whole state that relies on that. Nebraska relies on exporting to China. They've stopped.
Yeah.
Who's feeling the end, the hardstick of this? It's the Americans.
Ah,
It's
man.
The tariffs are affecting Americans.
Ah, but
China's
yeah.
are not affected. One people, I want to in this war. Yitam Africans. We don't really rely on those countries, really. We don't like if we organize ourselves, we may not actually rely on those countries. Rely on us. They rely on us for raw materials. They're relying on us.
Hey.
Yeah.
Slow down.
Slow down,
They're
bro.
relying on us.
Harare.
Tinam Africans,
Yeah,
if we
right,
organize
right.
ourselves, we'll be actually come out tops here.
Okay,
We'll come out tops here.
Pan-Africanist.
If you plan ourselves, organize ourselves next.
Okay.
Come on, tops.
Organize ourselves.
Hey, we'll come up tops.
After organize ourselves, I'll say that this is
Because they can't organize
So we
themselves.
know
Because we can't organize ourselves.
Because they're Pan-Africanist, well done.
Well done, yeah.
Many before you have
Hey.
tried and they have failed.
Mina, I'm honestly happy that this is going on because part of the many predictions I'm sitting on this podcast,
Yeah.
some have gone awfully wrong, but some of them is at least a global economic collapse or a world war spaz of sorts. And I think we're heading in the right direction. Secondly, I think I'm also tired of life. I'm looking for any excuse to stop trying. At least I've already MP yes, COVID, yes, Nikki breather. I wasn't mad about COVID, dog. I got a chance to sit at home for a year and not feel bad about it. Because usually if I spend 2 or 3 days in Sendling, fuck, I need to get out there and hustle. But they must just hit us with another world war. Let's try 4 years that is in my cars, connections, and then we
The
can
problem with the
reset.
world war is it affects us,
Women in one business.
Africans.
Hayi bachana le.
No,
Hayi.
that's what happened in the
Remember,
in the Second
kulama
World War.
bilateral agreements.
I know this time.
Kulama bilateral agreements that you signed. Kulama agreements that I signed now.
Uzokhipha umuntu
No,
ePenside uthi kule Portugal.
Last ama agreements. Ukuthi ngabe kutshala lami ngiyabenza ukuncedisa. Silwe la.
That's the problem. Mama MOU.
You are signing these agreements.
Sign MOU.
Kuhamba amasotsha phela ama40.
When bathatha lawe phela.
No, KP, do you grasp the
Remember that
concept here?
You're
World
starting
War.
listing
Yeah,
you
I guess we see
World
it.
War meant
military.
everyone. Like
Anyazi.
only the women and children.
Mina-
I'm safe. You are not.
I'm not, but isifuba sami sine problem vele mina ngiyabenthatha. Ngiyambona inyaphi mara.
I think it depends like ngama front ukuthi battle front ingaphi. Yabo like iWorld War kwakule usilwa kakhulu eEurope. So abe Europe baba affected more. And then other countries. So
But there's Zimbabwe who took part there.
yeah, but balutshwana like baba behamba like
Is this a well-known fact?
akuzange
Yeah, I remember Zambia.
ngapha and all.
Bro,
Hayi kodwa manje dakudala
But
vele kwakungena nto yokwenza sazithanda impi. These days sinama hoes machens. Came out here going to war.
Yeah, vele siyachila bana mabili.
Kudala vele nje kunoba mdala bami bonke babe ku military. Bonke ndoda.
Yeah.
Because that was the end thing, dog. Kwakufalo over the podcast.
it was being in the military. It was being in the military, being a nurse, being a teacher.
So the world has gone to shit. Abafana kade sebevula ama podcast dala abafana babese empini.
Babese
Nothing
empini.
is going to change.
Actually namhlanje I was asking my friend ukuthi ungaba lempi and ngathatha amasotsha wonke ukuthiwa ehambe. Kungashota abaqala ukubiza abantu amapholisa be-prisons
I think what
ngama carrier
I think they
kuhamba
will start
njani.
they will start probably with the support unit.
As a support
ema
unit.
police.
But I think what say open call.
Oh so kuyacana ngaqala ukuthi amasotsha kungena amapholisa wonke lama
Ama police won't be swapped, won't be robbed in per se. Because they need
18 to 45 guys. 18 to 35.
they need
Umaboti bari health liyani tawi liyani. Uyabona uCaptain America laba before bemfaka amangwanda labantu esajani.
underweight what
Kuyathiwa senior citizen lingafambisa ama senior citizen empini.
Bethi cough twice, bethi who puthe behlala phansi.
they won't enlist the police because the police on their own they are required to maintaining law and order in a country. So they'll probably go to the citizens.
Siyahamba
So
manje.
bathi masotsha support unit.
Ndiyathatha amapholisa ehambe thina singene kupolice.
Na venhle nje ku traffic.
Oh, yeah,
Mama.
the concept leyani ukuthi babeli draft or whatever.
Extinguisher kathi la.
Yeah, I think they'll probably do a draft maybe. Concept a draft. So your birthday.
I know why you want to be good traffic.
I-constitution yethu eZimbabwe ithini ngokudraft? Like vele ifuswa kubheda like siyabizwa
Yes,
I think bathi ibhobho liya phambili.
I think I haven't gotten to that part. I actually need. I have it. I'll go read on it.
Yeah.
I actually haven't read that part.
Uma 40 kasoze thathe. Limazi ngamuntu obali constitution. Report manje.
I-Rhodesia isilwa
Actually,
bona what was their concept? Were they like taking every like white young
I
guy
think you were
or
volunteering.
Kuchimrenga.
yeah kuchimrenga like i-Rhodesia
Oh,
how
my
was it
dad
handling it?
says that when they were at school, the guys would come through, right? And be like, oh, do you wanna come? Do you wanna come?
Yeah.
Sorry, wrong word. Do you want to pull through? 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 And then those ones were enthusiastic
Why is your
and were
mind so
about
dirty?
the struggle
Yeah.
would go. But then there'd be those ones who would say, nah, I'm not interested or whatever. Then you are a version of why are you refusing? Because this is for everyone's
See, baby.
so abanye bankhona babethathwa like abanye
Alright.
babethathwa abanye babe volunteer like actually go because
Most of people were in boarding schools. Most people went to boarding schools. Most were boarding schools were the ones who were
worship God and go
actually
to
running
heaven.
away to go join the war. Most people went to boarding school.
So abanye besilo abanye bahamba bayafunda and then uthe so lokho ze bazothatha isikhundzi.
abarulayo
Bazothatha isikhundzi. Hey.
Yeah,
Strategy.
kulezinye zihamba abroad zafundela like.
Yeah.
zafunda
Na futhi ngikwazi ngokuthi kulezinye futhi ezingasesivele empini sekumele ubuyele lapho wagcina khona. Kwabona ugcine ku form 1. But ngaleso uvela chase bam lokurapper.
yeah it was
So many ubuyele ku form 1.
war was bad bro.
War is bad.
So nxa lo mngane wakho ongiregistrar kwenye university ususithi akungikhothise lapho okwelaw lapho.
Saba la khona imember yakho okufunda la eclass.
Makhaya manami
Akungikhothise okuyi-PhD lapho.
Imember yakho okufunda la. Imember yakho okufunda la ku form 1 yesifundisa iGeo kathi esesigera wona subuyelile suku form 1.
So kumele kufakele u-A kudlule la okuvela.
no but
And that's why we have let me stop there.
Let's stop there.
there's a
That's
country
why we have the problems we got.
That's right.
there's a country I've forgotten which country is it in Africa where an old Madala ended up going to primary school, secondary. They actually made a movie about him. Ukhuluhamba primary school.
Why not so a Kenya Kululwana or something?
Yeah, you actually went to primary
it's
school,
Kenyan. You've never watched the
then
movie.
high school.
I know a crazier one.
Yeah.
That guy or that Japanese guy was on that island who was found like 18 years after World War ended, who was still holding it down. You don't know that one?
Serious.
No, you must Google this fucking guy. Well, he was still holding it down. Hey, look at that time. It's in the Julius seat. Vacation.
I think I saw like something similar when I was watching cartoons or Archer.
Yes, they had something similar on
they had
Archer because
something
but
it was built
yeah,
based
it's
on
from
like a real
oh,
thing.
you watch Archer, bro?
Yeah, I want Archer.
Phrasing.
Yeah, something like that on Jurassic Park
Yeah,
movie.
but that's because it's
Remember look at Tenzile ndo.
Don't look at Bumpanga 18 years late. Icheri seyavaya. Amachida ndoda ubuye ekhasi ndoda vele.
Avele kuyegethwa abantu bangasakwazi.
Ndoda manje ephumelele ndoda.
Yeah.
Wena lokwazi
That's
ukwazi
where I
ama
was.
state.
Like everyone has moved on.
Yeah,
And they've made money when we are on your island. By yourself.
And I'm sure what spend all the time is ama trip ku island yakhe sithi ngazibona zithutsha la. Ngoba kuthutsha ama tourists.
So yabona ukuthi imimi lena accurate lento sometimes you be thinking you're cooking in silence but you're cooking nonsense.
That's a solid one.
So it's fine to cook with others, yeah?
I just cook with others.
That is a
Cook
bar.
amasi.
That is a bar. So it's Cash 2020.
Yeah.
To cook with others is also messed up. But to cook by yourself
To cook by
is
yourself.
also messed
I
up.
can be fucked
You
up.
never win in this life.
So moral of the story, don't cook.
Yeah, don't
Asi
cook.
NMP vele sitshane la. I'm just looking for an excuse to stop trying. And I'm tired of the capitalist system. Hopefully, maybe we can reset and do something. I said some communism or something.
Yeah,
Didn't you
communism
try those
never.
things,
But let's go again.
Communism,
Wait, was it
we wanted to
socialism?
implement it
Was it
after independence.
No, communism doesn't have a good rap in the communist countries.
But does capitalism have a good rep? It's crazy. Guti. Capitalism is just like wealth hoarding, and the people who have successfully hoarded wealth are the ones who want to make sure we keep capitalism alive. But it hasn't done us any favors as well. It's like
Wouldn't you
Like,
do the
people-
same if you
people
were
in
in their
communism are saying
position?
the same thing like that.
as if any all right.
Yeah. Wouldn't you do the same thing if you were like in the position of
Which is
holding power?
it's true, but I'm not. So fuck it.
There's capitalism within communism.
So it is insane, all right. Which ism would work for us? Plagiarism.
Yeah, probably plagiarism. Plagiarism could actually benefit a whole lot of us. You know that?
Yeah, plagiarism.
Yeah.
Because if not communism, then what? Nationalism.
That one doesn't even pop, man. That one is even
That one
stupid.
is the worst of them.
Which one then?
But the Shona people have mastered nepotism.
Ish.
Yeah, that's the only zim that could work. That's the zim that can work.
That omalumami check. Abango mamami. Omalumami have mastered it.
Omaluma
I'm a neighbor baby.
abalanhloni like
Unika umzukulu.
ngokunika umzukulu like abalanhloni ngokunceda omunye wabo, which is the one thing that pisses me off about us, the others.
Check abango mamami.
Because omaluma mna
Mzukuru wao.
who guys up guys.
Mzukuru.
Because
Abana
like
abalanda ukuthi mzukulu wabo
he
ngondlovu.
probably gave you $100
Bra. Abala as long
without feeling, without flinching, without thinking about it.
Mana sisi wangu. Check abana bra they will plug you.
Not Manwa Siswang. Anjwadzi.
Mwana Anzwadzi yangu. Mwana Anzwadzi yangu.
Nzwadzi.
Anzwadzi udade wethu.
Anzwadzi.
Anzwadzi.
Alright.
Ukorera ngokuthiwa mbani? Mgatsa. Ibizo kwathiwa mbani?
Unomzadzi lo Mgatsa.
Nangikhumula umrambadoro.
Yeah, Mrambadoro, see. Ngumrambadoro.
Energy mrambadoro.
Wayengugoro wane big head lo.
Oh.
Metaphorically or
No, he had a big head.
oh my God.
Like,
So
That's a random thing to
what
say.
you
as well.
reckon? Like, text doesn't he hate big head?
Wait,
Why?
usaphila or
he's still
I
alive.
wouldn't know.
He's still alive.
or wayelalo kathi sakasela.
Yakwazi enye into
The
efani
big
machensi. Yakwazi.
Oh, cut him off.
I feel like it's going to be fine.
Hey, you know, but some of these guys, the way Zimbabwe is set up and the way things happened during that time in our economy, they went outside the country, and
Yeah.
some of them are just like regular niggas outside the country. Swear down on my life. I think it's in Namibia. Si rent a student house. Ngathi nanzelela about 3 weeks into it. Uthi umjito oyirenta ngemva kwethu kwakungu. Thangi ngoba nene echama head Italian. Ezazibiza uVan Damme. Head yonke ine defend the national team.
James
Ulumama
Matola.
forward.
Udumisani
Hayi
Mpofu.
olishona.
James Matola.
James Matola.
Yeah, James Matola,
Ungahlala James Matola ngakwazi indoda.
Serious?
Then until I remember, he was much older. He was working already. Because I think then he was. I said, mdara ko what bekhuluma. I said, like said mdara la.
Tina Garafa?
James Matola.
Who's this guy?
Couldn't
Tidai
fucking
Vala.
believe it, dog. Hayi vala.
Tidai Vala.
Look at
Yeah,
Chase
yeah.
Baba ngene.
South Africa waqamula umuntu unyawo ngithako.
Yebo.
Sengothi waqamula isiplayer.
Bamembiza Van Damme, man. Bamembiza
Yibukaba
Van
kodwa bona lo Jake into ngayipraise.
And also, yeah, Lambe says, are we proud of this? I was now like stressed out.
Manje.
I felt so wrong.
There's a
Like, maybe I
guy
should-
Ertong Samsung Chorua. One of the most brilliant, skillful player to ever come out of Dynamos. His career was cut short by Usancho. Kamula. This is Usancho at Amazulu.
Yebo.
Kamula. Koba. Career yakhe yaphela. Kamula ukushona lokho.
Wow.
Nangeza ukuthola ukuza uthamba ndo uSandy Marimo bamqamla ngolokuze nini. I don't know if this is just like folklore or Timon Mabaleka thamba nathi.
Umisheke kumbe uSandi. There were two brothers, Marimo.
Yo.
Which one?
I think
Umisheke or
Sandi.
Sandi?
I think Sandy. Uthini?
Eboreni abana bra.
Yabo kulama
Eboreni.
Nah,
Kulo muntu obuya, but eboreni vele kulo muntu yabezida uqamuna manje lokho.
Gift lunga.
Yabona manje.
Kanje yapha ngigift.
Yabona ngani beku 18 area lapha kuyikhona kick lapha. Kuyikhona kick ubona beshavana. Ukhona umuntu yabefika ekhaba omunye la. Sekwena.
Amajile ekhala ngolokuze nini bengoRudiger. During kwakuyama Euro. Sitha wayincweba abanye.
Fika lapha kusekwena.
Urutikani izolo uhambe. Unechilena uhambe phezulu komuntu izolo. Esezoni. Ike mbone koni lezi eyes like correct. Anyway, let's not go back there. But yeah,
Babe khaba so unyawo kusekwena. Ikona bana makhona liye umune popoto umuntu ngalo popoto yani babe business mkapha kusekwena.
Amajile egcwele. Amajile, most of these guys who used to be like national team players or most of them outside the country being regular niggas. Yetshona la ungakwazi. You remember that guy also uNtini. Malvin Ntini. Oyedlala iboss. Was DMI, I don't know if he watches the podcast or after that episode. Or
Yeah,
he used to play for Boss. That guy was also a. But he's a cool dude. He's a cool dude.
Oh,
What
gift
are they
long.
doing outside? Are they also playing or they just play for chess?
That's what my point was going.
They're regular guys now. Sebekhulile abanye vele.
Or just like
Sebekhulile.
Machaivan?
Shit like that. So ungafika somewhere kwenye restaurant to say what uhlala useve ngona gombani ungakwazi.
Hey.
Wow. But yeah, but I
Sorry, on
Yeah, I was
whatever
just an
you
example.
are.
like it's like now when you meet
Was just an
Ozemura, Ozenzo Moyo. When you meet such an ordinary guy. Because uhlala lapha eBF same area.
Uzathola
Ralph
ukuthi
Matemi nga.
UPrince Unga. Udubi.
Sayisabuza kahle.
Prince Duyane is in Tanzania. He's playing in
Lena
Tanzania.
is still
Oh, he's
playing.
still
He's a
playing.
young boy lwana. He's still playing. Urafa ngazi, Urafa wayengapho Urafa. Ugogoranga lamazi. Yazi, there's a player le Dynamo sayuthi ugogoranga lamazi.
Gokorere bora.
Ugogorere bora, ugogorere
isho
bora.
Yeah, Lena emgwegorele Lena ilicaba.
U-Evans
Yakwazi
Gogore.
thina la sasabuka amaqaba amaningi lapha eZimbabwe.
Anjo.
Evans
Denver Mukamba.
No,
Thina
ukuthi
silamacaba.
ngiyazobacaba.
Kubhoso mana ngeke ngibona amacaba ebhoso.
Azokwamba njani? It's like calling it's like calling Michael Carrick icaba. It's
So
like
when
no, let me tell you.
No,
Let me tell you. It's like wawungani uMichael Carrick. No Michael edlala wangani ngakhaya into yenzana. Manxa engekho yakhaya into Michael Carrick kakho. There are those players ukuthi you don't see what they're doing.
Mina ngikhuluma ama striker la, striker le console.
Evans knew how to Evans knew how to net those balls.
Lo anoyile kiss madolongo bananje.
Francis Chandida.
Amacaba le macaba ndoda ikuthi la lifuna ukuvuma. No. I'm literally like ruining your memories right now.
Evans bra.
Your childhood was a lie, bro. Those niggas couldn't play.
Evans amabhora utengena baneze striker. Bayakwazi ukungenisa ibhora.
Lalela.
Yeah.
Laba majida vele uthiwa just by sheer commitment and hard work they made it to the top, but there wasn't much of natural skill.
That's what we want. Njenga unumber 9 siyazanda ukuthi uhlohle nge-A uhlohle ngani nxa unumber 9 hlohle ibhola lingene.
Kodwa ngase likhuluma Ronaldo lisho njalo.
No, Ronaldo is not a number 9. Jeki number 9 imsebenzi wakho Jeki ukufaka ikhanda. Ufaka even ungakhisa ibhola ukuthi incwadi ingene. Yithe sokufuna ibhola alingene.
Number
9 ungugani. We don't care. Ungugani bra. We don't give a care.
We actually do.
All right, when are you done then? Usuqedile. Awuthi thina sesicare osikhuluma.
Ngina ngoba lidlala iFIFA because you play FIFA.
Kanti FIFA wethenzeni ngoba unokwazi ukudlala iFIFA.
FIFA catching
Unokwazi
stays.
ukudlala ibhola.
Awumazi iFIFA usithwele nzima
Le
unokwazi.
kwabo uma photo akho ntoni singahamba futhi ku5 sides yamidlula la
Ngidlala le bhora lo vele.
Check, I will show you my pictures with the trophy wearing it.
a coach.
Asameni ku5 side. Mafoti wena vele.
When do you understand?
Wena ngeza ke ngidlala 50-50 la nasibile kathule bhora. Mafoti
Thula khulume.
When 5 side. When
Tomorrow.
date.
holiday khathi asameni kusasa.
Nakusasa le event. Nama event angu.
Asameni
This weekend,
Sunday.
I'm not available this week. I'm only available on Monday.
Asameni
Asameni
Monday.
Monday it is.
Iko ngithi mafoti wena kwenza ukuyibhora eliku height ya Manchester C2 wena mina njibile ke le bhora unukhona lapha.
Ralph.
Are we recording the match on Monday? Are we recording the
I will
match?
carry the camera.
Are we recording
Do not
the
worry,
match on
I will
Monday?
carry the camera.
Are we
Very-
recording the match on
Yes,
Monday?
Yes,
it will
let's
be
record the
recorded.
match.
We'll record the
Fine.
match on
Angaza ke
Monday.
njibile ka le bhora la mafoti. Wena senior citizen.
Can you also be a person of your word like KP? Yes.
Remember Kulu Kicks. Ukulu Kicks. Yes.
Ungakabi ngukhulu wawusungikhulu.
We're gonna
kudala.
do what we're gonna
Ukulu
do then.
Kudala.
Oh, okay.
We just know ukuthi very confidence ka 40 days sizayibona.
Five side ngichaza ukuthi yadina nje.
And
After 10 minutes yawo gonna be fine.
Akuqacheki futhi ku5 side. Uthi uthiwa usungathi ibhora angalitholi.
Usicatshe abantu
Ngale box mbana lema le defender le attack.
Funa i-ball control uyayichaya around the world. Ungathepha ibhora uchaye around the world wena.
Yes.
Alright, Monday siya ku5 side, but mina ngadakwa we can count me out, but yeah. I might have
We've been
No,
nursing.
uyabuka kuma sidelines lana.
I've been
We
nursing.
can-
Awukaqedi block.
I'm fine, and it's going longer than
Block
anticipated.
So we semester when you're back.
Eish, but I'll see. I'll make a plan.
I paid a bit this weekend progress.
Yeah, ne?
Maybe end of April. I was going to April.
That was semester.
And then March, April, January, Feb, I didn't drink. March, I'm going to 2 months. I said in Jacqueline. At least it's in 5, give me 2.
Why is it kushahile?
Ungayenzisa ngano lo.
Yenza ukwenza.
Ngithele wena
There's a
uphela.
question of the day here.
Yeah.
Okay.
There is.
You catch your closest friend partner cheating. You catch your closest friend's partner cheating. Do you tell your friend?
Ngimtholi chera kifeba.
Yeah.
Anyamtshela umembo. Akula option no.
Evidence.
My word. You see, unlike you, I'm a man of my word. They know me in the streets.
My weight is Bond, like 007.
My word is
You'll be surprised,
00.
my word has more weight than yours in the street. But anyway, would you tell your body?
I wouldn't.
Why?
Angizingeni. Also, angizingeni. Because abantu ngiyalazi, guys, people who are bumping uglies, you are the worst people
Yeah, it's true.
to be friends with.
Yeah, it's true.
People who are bumping uglies will go into that bedroom and bump uglies and make me the enemy
Yeah,
for
it's
saying
true.
something. I
Anna,
am
but
not
Mna-
angizingeni.
I think what would make me sleep at night is I did my part as a friend. Look, I know what it
But
is.
when,
But
You
now,
knew.
njengomembo
You're
wakho.
worried about he comes back and he says you knew when he finds out.
Exactly. So mina I'd rather I'm not saying go
kumbe
dump her.
simphekezela besemlapha igonorrhea wena ukwazi ukuthi ngawo amkhuzi ukuthi ayiyena
Lachu gonorrhea, Jake. Like lachu. Like I am not getting. No, I am not getting lachu gonorrhea. Lachu guy. Like I'm
Speak on the mic. Speak on the mic.
I'm not doing it. I am not lachu. I'm sorry. No, I don't want to lie to you guys. I would love you to death as a friend. Like I'll be there for. I'm that friend.
But this sounds like a girl thing.
But
You've been there,
not tell
gonorrhea,
you.
but you won't be.
I am not. I will. Overthink akubamba shame. And the sahambu and what story.
ezathi lokuthi kade kuhamba njani khonapha ngiyithethe ngale
Nithi hey Jake, kutafu.
wena wazi ukuthi ngeke
Abafana the
Ukuthi
boys.
wambone
And
ibhawu.
some suspect futhi sonke as a group. Yeah, some suspect ngithi hey, kumbe nguye, kumbe wena kulento yenzayo. Like
Mina mangutshela
I need
into
to know.
enjalo one. I mean, vele I'll be so direct about it. Lo chero wakho nebe kwasivele yimi. La nyathi uyathe ngibona ngimbona ehlebe kwasinjalo sisiyakhuluma. La mazoze ngenza ngani zathi hey ngiyabona ukuthi kumnandi anti. Ohlube kwasi avele Jackson siyakhuluma. Now if you guys make it through and part through, well, power to that. Siyabonga. But mina I would have
kharethi
just
wena
done my part.
kusehle kumvakatshela endlini yami 10 years later ngoba
Ah,
ngacebela icherry yami ifebe
Okay.
Because now she doesn't like you.
Maybe
yeah
your-
vele
maybe your school of
But
thought is, but you see, let's just imagine your friend is cheating on that girl, right? You would support your friend cheating because right?
Yeah, of course.
Right? So now when your friend is now being cheated on, so
Yeah.
go wrong.
Yeah.
So it's like clever.
It's called fucking loyalty, nigga.
Yeah, also
Yeah.
like
Simple as that.
yabumbona lo cherry wakhe cherry like
Yeah, well,
awuzaba
that's the
umfazi endlini
That's the other question.
omunye la wakwazi ukuthi
but ungabona
ungabona
esefebe lichomi yakho somdisqualify phela nje ukumbona njengomfazi wendlini nomngane wakho
ya oyabe ngumfazi endlini asesingaba but ungaba kwazi sometimes omunye ukuthi
Isajiki is cheating.
Laba yabona ukuthi amdala phela ungangeni ngenhliziyo yabo
Yeah,
ngikhumbula ama sports
exactly.
la baba.
Yeah.
Yabo. But if live ngubona ngendlela zomtreata
yasishona
ngayo.
thiwa kwini ichifambi
Kwingo.
No, I think my
Gumbo
biggest issue is ngiyaphangisa ukudinwa. Because you know how irritating human beings are. That's the thing about humans. You people, you annoy me.
So
I'm tired. I just want to stay at my house,
Like
not
dog.
see human beings have money and just stay at my house and
Like
not see you
dog.
guys because they are poor. Ngizakutshela nti.
I saw you grow up. How did you become like this?
Yeah, I became cynical. I don't know who died.
I saw you grow up.
I was sweet, ne? I was sweet.
I'm getting your buzz.
I want to turn back the question and
Yeah.
if you find like someone now cheating on your sibling
Yeah.
Someone cheating on your sibling.
like
Like how ingeni?
how ingeni lapho
I have.
You have seen it.
I have, and I have not said
Sicela usinike
anything.
ibizo lesibongo le address le ID number la.
I never said
Sikhuluma
anything.
umuntu ngubani la.
And I never said it. Nyamkhangela umuntu lwana. Ngithi it's your conscience and your problem. Angizingeni.
Ngidlala njalo mina.
Uzabe bona nami ngiyabe ngisiphithi
Azibona
umuntu wakhe
nje
ngakhoma
ngazi.
ithi
Mina
phela
Jake
abantu
ngingabone
bayaphuma
umfazi ka Rico echeater. Uyazi ngiyahle ngenze ngimkhale ngihle ngithi tse. Ehle wazi.
ngicela ukuthi uzicebeleka akucebeli
Yikho ngizama ukulinika i-context yokuthi why ngingasazi ngene. It's because from experience I've realized that human beings ungamtshela you really do become the villain. Because people who are bumping uglies, they will always figure a way to, and then when you're just there in your feelings by yourself. Ngoba wena uzabe lokhu uzondile phela yakhumbula. It doesn't
especially
go away.
abafazi mayibona ba dangerous
Yeah.
Abafazi dangerous.
Wehle kutshela ethi Breeze vele lene nguralph kule ndlela ejayele kungikhangela ngayo so yikhi kutsheli iyamfuni member la wena uhluzonke
Ehle phone same time wona ungakhuluma. Yazi nisebhaka khonapha. uRalph nangizogrinda la membambi akhe. Wena by the time ekifoni ngena. Ayaya.
It's not even that too. Also the aspect of umuntu being able to I don't know how they just managed to gaslight abantu abasemathandweni. Bangonza ngathi wena ngohlanyayo. Like uzabe lokho emgila like emenza izinto ezukubhowayo. But when usakwazi ungenela ngoba uyabona ukuthi but I told you the first time that was when you were supposed to run and they don't run.
When it comes to Tini, what's your view? Would you tell your
mina umuntu ngiyamtshela and then ngazama ukuthi nani ngathi I can offer my services for free ngiyakudingela manje information. Hatsho ngu-doubting Thomas. I'll believe into engutshela khona. mana ngudingele
I believe
manje
ukuthi Jesu wavuka wena.
mana ngudingele
Hayi
Mana ngudingele
phela
information esibe
kwesinye
la.
isikhathi umuntu uyabe ngayisithi ukuthi akubelieve yabe kubelieve but yabe ngafuna ukusuka kuphela
Indeed.
so
Yeah.
nalokhana
Because I'm because
ningasamniki imic kusisi lo hayi mina yabona la khona kukhona mina for me you consider clearly maybe this differs from person to person whichever you can sleep at night with I cannot live with myself knowing that I withheld that kind of information from someone I feel like I care about. So I would straight up tell you. And once again, from experience, I've done it several times. I've been a villain several times. Didn't bother me. Most of them never ended up working out in the end anyway. Mpincha miqinisi buya nje sifika amajita futhi azo nami ngothonisisa ukuthi phela nosuyenza umuntu omunye yazazi zamarudo lezi tricky lezi
yeah, we don't mind being mega mind.
Ralph, your view?
super villain
Mina get depend
Super
dog.
villain.
Get depend ukuthi si close onganani. Like
Yeah.
nxa
closest.
si tight
Umgcini.
yeah ngiyitshela.
abako close laba nomcini what gave you that impression
Yeah, I'll tell the boy.
Yumthola
But
umgcini
mina lami still lokhe
You're on the fence on this.
ngivela ku culture leyani ukuthi like ezinye izinto zabantu azingena. So even ngikutshela I'll try to be cryptic la ukuthi investigator umuntu wakho might be doing
uzibambele
angifuna ukuqalisa ukukasi ukuthi ngambone eCotton ngo3:05 mhla ka18 ngeindependence no
Mina-
I'll just say
Awusokhumbi
check
wena.
ama movement
Awu-
umuntu wakho
Mi-
ukuthi,
mina-
Ah,
mina
mina
what I
akutshela
have
mina
done.
ngiqede ngithi hayi azimsethela ama-trap lapha sizambamba cha
Khumzweni le passion na wena kwamele ube nguproducer we-cheaters wena
lisleuth lisleuth play
Moja love.
sizatshaya i-spin-off
yakwazi ngeke ngakucabanga ukuthi even ishow njengomoja love ngayenza kodwa ibulawa I think ibulawa encane kakhulu you can't
they end up shooting
uyathatha
you.
3 episodes
They end up
max
shooting
3
niggas will
episodes
shoot you here
ziyakubamba
ziyakudubula
nxa uzayenza ishow enjalo ani thola imembe engahlali khona hayi but vele hayi
yeah kuyahlupha
3 episodes
Mina what
max
I did when a friend of mine, find umuntu wakhe senza kept quiet. Waze abuye complain akunento leyazi umuntu wami ngathi Jeki. Umuntu onjalo vele most of the time maybe seyenza into eceleni lapha. I won't tell you directly.
exactly
Because ngiyabe ngikwazi ngakutshela direct and
So
you
we
go
case
and
here.
reconcile. Mina mina
You're left
become
with
the
the
villain
thing.
sengingutanos.
Mina okay
Senginguthanos.
mina ngiyi-reverse unokalo khuzeni ka-KB ukuthi Antwente doesn't mind being the villain esevela teacher mina I don't mind being the villain you finding out that I knew I don't mind
Alena mna
and ngizahlala futhi and I will fold my arms I really do not mind I don't care and I've been caught out
But
a
now
couple of times
I'm now getting you.
I've been
Yeah,
caught
but
out a
she's-
couple
I'm
of
not
times
getting
and
you.
I
she's
don't
speaking
mind
from experience
People
I understand.
abantu abasethandweni abantu abapastor abanjani njani you can tell them
abantu
mina because I
abasupportizana
know umuntu onjana
le ndoda ile mali
umuntu onjana vele ungamtshela
umuntu
ngomlomo
uyanichanisa.
man even ezakuzwa but ufika umtshele ngomlomo fana ngathi fuhla bameva ahlabanga sibili afike
Liyabonani?
And so kumele umdingele i-evidence ukuthi i-evidence nansi la
Liyabona?
nangu umuntu
abanye
wakho.
bra evidence ikhona abanye bra
Hayi
Stigmatization and
yabo
pussitation,
ngamfakelanga
bro.
i-evidence
Nilalela.
crucify
Mina uyabona kwami
yakhe WhatsApp uthathe group chat
mina phela angikhulumeli objective yokusolve if kade lingilalele kuhle kanti angikhulumeli ukuthi what can I live with mina ngiyakutshela kuphela angisoze ngizihluphe over evidence ngiyakutshela nxa kuyinto othi sengiyazi for sure ngiyakutshela and then it's off my chest whether it convinced you whether what you're going to do so kuwe dog mina I don't tell you I tell you for me
The way
Because
I
ngiyakwazi
saw the,
ukuzansinda
you are
mina.
right. The way I saw the question was, I think it's a concept of you see me, I see you, see me,
you tell
kissing someone else, and then you go and tell on me. And
Ah, phela ngiyakwenza.
that's the concept. But you awuzange uthole isikhathi sokukhipha ifoni wasu-DVD. Yabona. Nini?
Kasi phone
Uyihlalile ikukhamera.
why you
Nazi
that
ngimember
person?
lana Jane. Can I say something? Mina ngimember lana vele aware of ama outcomes of human behavior and I don't let most of it get to me. Even if ngikutshela ngikwazi I'm about to become the villain it doesn't bother me. And awufalani. Fala amajita athi incenxa esengani sokupopa elifini. Suzondela abantu ukuthi uyazibona babembhekela phansi babe nokuze I don't blame people for looking down on me when if I was crusty and I came from a fucking shit family. It is what it is, dog. Niggas look down on me. It's okay.
because I was down
If I had, I was down. I had nothing to offer the world.
Because now that you're up, how you also look down on others.
Abakhona vele mbabhekele phansi. Big time.
That's how
I
I
Can
mean,
also
it's
say something.
nature. It is nature.
Yeah, Mina, I actually think I would not foolproof. They'll never make it. Because if you tell someone they'll never make it, and then they use that as fuel and they make it, you're welcome, motherfucker. Or if you tell them they'll never make it and then they don't make it, I'm a fucking prophet again. So it's just like a win-win for
Yeah,
me.
but also abantu abadinga abangane laba abaqinileyo. Hayi khona abafragile. Ndingumngane
in the
oqinileyo
most
ukuthi
recent,
uyamtshela
in the
ukuthi
most
ndoda,
recent
mtshela
interview,
umuntu wakho
Jose
deal with
Mourinho,
it.
Jose Mourinho said, Samuel Eto'o ku-Inter Milan. He said, Samuel Eto'o, I said, ngicela ukudlala member, ngicela ukudlala hayi, you're poor. When very indlela wenza ngayo very poor game time very ngawuze kunika you're poor you're not pushing effort wala very ngimiyala very ngiyalo engadlali. But ngamfaka quarter final because I knew that was going to fuel him.
That was going to be the motivation.
But what kulama players you can't even say that ungabatshela njalo sebefika bafa totally
No,
gone.
yeah, that
You
there's
have to,
human
you
things
have to
like
know
that.
who to say such things
Oh,
to.
yes.
Yeah.
You have
Yes,
to actually be
actually.
aware
Yeah.
of who to tell when you never make it and who to tell that you make it.
Yeah.
Omunye vele hlezi bophela.
But when you're going to make it and ever too big and not make it at all. Yeah. So you have to know who to tell what.
That's actually
But you
true.
never know anyway.
So
Yeah?
you know, kunabanye abantu
Sometimes you never know.
kunabanye abantu nje uthi umngane wakhe angwazi nje umngane wakhe uthi ngamtshela lokho. Vele ahle.
So kufanana le kuchithela khona kuba khona abatshelekala baye
Yeah. Bakhona abatshela abanye abatsheleki ukuthi
I think sesibuye kahle manje laba sesiguqe kahle.
lamanye uthi ngamtshela
Yeah,
ukuthi
abantu
wazi
abadala.
this
Yeah.
lo ngamtshela vele ahle lo ngamtshela no. I think you better you have a
ukwazi ukuthi
Or
uthone
ube njengami, the glass is always empty. Ungatsheli umuntu futhi. No one will die.
because the glass was always empty.
Ukuthi aqalo assess ukuthi omunye ungamtshela lapha ahle ethelela poison afi.
Eh, akulomnye umuntu obona uzagula lo.
Yabo sibona. Hayi I think abanjani nisenga rectify.
nami ngambona ukuthi
ukuthi mina nabangani bami abaseduze vele ngiqala ngifeel ukuthi bebe strong.
Character building.
Yeah, because
Don't you train your friends? Don't you train
vele from ukuzaqala simtshela ukuthi hayi vele anti
abangiwe bamfundisa ngekho lo
even engena
train umuntu
ukuthi lo muntu yambona anti omunye yambona yazi umuntu ngumuntu
Linteng
wakho lo
enteng ijongo.
yamdinga kodwa ufaka olunye unyawo one in olunye one out at least yabe sumtshelile before now ungathola sibili ukuthi hayi ya ngithi ngakutshela ngakutshela ukuthi ufake one in one out wena ufuna ukufaka khangela umuntu wakho dala sekwenzela imboza so yeah, it's truth and
uzumuntu ekhale sithi
people
yeah,
need the truth.
they used to look down on me. Look down on Jota. La khona lingu4 litshona lingcolile emsikeni kagogo wakho ndoda. Awusithi abantu bethini. It is what it is, brother. Just work out of your situation.
do you know okay Breeze is reminding me of something the fact that everyone now wants to do this political correctness wokeness we're actually killing society.
Yeah.
We have to be as real as possible. Life is unfair. It's never going to be fair. Life and life ukudubeka sometimes not character development ukudubeka it is what it is.
That's what you were destined for.
What it is.
That is what you were destined for.
It is what it is. It's not like ukudubeka you probably become cool. You always be
That is your
black.
purpose in life. That is who you were born to be.
It is what it is.
It's not a lie.
We want to be political correct, wokeness. Hey, correct. No. Check, we are to that's how it is.
No, I'm happy.
I mean I'm a philosopher and ukuthi ayivumi on like ukuthi fixed mindset. Mina ngithi ngakhona lokho kukhona ya usungangwaya like indlela ivuleke.
Ubone something.
Yabo but
I hear
ungadecide
you.
ukuthi accept ukuthi
It's important to always be positive. But listen, it's important to be positive, but be very, very aware of where you are. First, be aware of where you are. And be aware of where you are and accept the situation that you find. Then be positive.
You should
very
always
aware of where you
expect the
are.
worst in life so
Yeah.
that even in
You have to be aware of
you
where
can
you are.
celebrate
Yes, my glass is empty.
because you always expect the worst.
I'm happy about when pick it up hands. Actually, I need more people to look down on me. That shit.
Are you
Oh, you're trying to prove a couple of people wrong.
They have so many haters. If my haters behind him, that's what killed I'm saying. My haters behind him because hating is important for people sometimes.
Chris Rock watched in one of his stand-ups and he was like, I teach my children. Chris Rock said on one of his stand-ups, I teach my kids every day that after this threshold, nobody loves you. When you leave this house, no one cares for you. No one gives a fuck who you are, what you're doing, whether you're breathing or not. When you leave this house, I am the only person who worries about
And sometimes even in that house, no one gives a shit.
Yeah, you know, and also in the black community, like, if we're being honest, I give her my
it's life. I think we in the way political correctness day is breeding sissies. Breeding sissies.
Yeah, it's pussyfooting around.
Yeah, Trump is overcorrecting.
Sebe over.
Trump
Ukhanye
is-
njengaye ubhuti ukhanye. Ubhuti ukhanye sehlanye.
Sayenzeni this
Look
week?
at Flopper foot.
Angawazi amabhenga this week. Maybe uyasiphumuza kancane.
Yeah, no, this month will be too late.
This
No,
week.
This week, last week.
This week.
Last week.
That's how bad I've been at keeping up with
Daughter,
him.
last week ubesipostela le porno leyani yama 80s leyani lena so la porno ama sexual films. Yikade kupost esithi e complain ukuthi why behlala bekhatha before he dash shot.
Yo?
Yeah, okay, yay.
Can you imagine a world where he could have been president?
That would have been crazy. Maybe there would have been people that would have kept
His
him.
latest tweet is like, "My life is the only good movie out."
How can you do it?
Oh,
Comedic movie. Yeah.
it's not even comedy, it's tragic. Tragic. Good
No,
movie.
but we're also classifying it as a genre.
Tragic. Tragic, like.
King Lee,
Guy, I don't know. I listen to Diamonds Are Forever. That guy was a genius.
he is a genius.
It's like, I don't know what's going on.
He is still a genius.
Banalalela uPower. I'm convinced ngathi ngene ezulwini ngiyabokhala uPower. Izingilosi sibonga ukuthi hey morning Mozera. In this bitch. Milia.
Lesalisa ezulwini nabo kabe.
No, kodwa
Ama VIP ticket
sengangene.
sethathuliwe
But
la.
that song though.
Ama VIP
Now I'm
ezulwini
singing that
sethathuliwe.
song. Now I'm singing that song as well, bro. I'm a wings
Upeter Emile by the Penny Gate.
Dude.
Stingenani
Moses
bafethu.
touristic ayipho ngchama
Eh.
nje. Fuck.
Kulo muntu ocommente I think was it on TikTok enye lokhu zenini enye statement esikhulume nguRalph. Ralph uthi even uJesu dog. This guy said even uJesu dog.
Ngithini ngoJesu?
Hayi angikwazi
Bathi even uJesu dog. Kule enye TikTok engiyibone namuhla. Azona begoli wasijwayela nto.
Yazi ngabe ngayidinga.
Bekule show yabo maporisa like this. So someone posted a video ekushow yakhona like having fun. Then omunye wabese comment video yakhona trend. I think South Africans were assuming it was that side. Then omunye wasebemtshela ukuthi no kokubulawa eZimbabwe. Then omunye wase commented how? So the bad things Zimbabweans are only that side.
Ndoda
I was like,
ama-comments wonke bekhuluma njalo. Kuthiwa how? Wayengathi ama-Zimbabweans aseZimbabwe ayisiwe swathola
He was wathola ngapha like we're getting the
Mina ngake
the wrong
ngakhomenta
version.
one time omunye sithi kungene iZimbabwean ku-engine shop a fuel station so kunuka and stuff ngasithi I mean lathi bayasinukela bona laba
stereotyping.
don't put us in a pool all of us lathi bayasinukela bona laba
Yeah, lathi bakhona basinukela. Lathi sifuna ukwenza i-roll-on drives khona
lathi
la.
sayifuna i-roll-on drive.
But some of these charges were not beating them, guys. Some of these allegations.
Which
Amakhwapha
one?
phela.
Mina ndingixolelani. I've traveled around Zim. There's a city called Harare.
Oh yes.
Guys,
Yeah,
there's a
no.
city called Harare, guys.
What
is
Mchoveni.
What
At
show
5
where Harare
a.m.
guys?
Makubika
At
manje.
5 a.m. Mchoveni. 6 a.m. Unukelani khwapha usiya emsebenzini ngo-6 a.m. The fuck?
Umlomo uhlofu.
Bro, Mchoveni ekuseni antu emsebenzini unukelani.
No, that is really an experience that you only get
i-cocktail yemnuko ngakhathi chicken pass.
leyani ebusuku eka-10.
Kebe kuyiZimbabwean
No,
shanks.
not at 10. Every chicken pass. Guys.
Bound or outbound?
Wonke.
Because yibo bagcwele phakathi anyway.
Whoa, okay.
But lapha kwabula there are sports dog where you could pull up and you be
Yeah,
like,
big time.
"Lapha
Big
no,
time.
no."
And they are not beating some of these allegations.
Yeah,
no,
we're
we're
not.
not.
We're
We're
not.
not.
It really is what it is. Anyway.
What can you do? Iproblem
Mama
ukuthi vele abantu
Lume.
abanuka amakhwapha angikhwale podcast leve abayibukeli. Le Twitter abalayo, le TikTok abalayo ukuthi bebekwazi
Wait, but
amakhwapha
I have a question. I
abanuka.
have a question.
ask away.
I have a question. Oh, William Tell, or conductor Mamchov. I have a question. Is it mandatory that we wear dirty clothes?
I spend it what is it tricky?
Like in the morning. Like, is it necessary?
I think you will have mahudi
like in the morning. And I think during the day, so 7-0. But roll on, okay. Guys, in the morning, we want to go to work in the morning. Usunuga already.
I raise you one and ask you with yena msaluf. Or kanji kakalizi. Okay, I've answered myself. It's fine. Thank you.
Yeah, you answered.
Thank you. I answered myself.
But ezinye ke bekuyi lifestyle to. Kutsho mna bana bachayisa imali abe isebenzile mhlambe inatha. Ngafika endlini etayiwa nokhe. Awukuseni udriver
ngesintweni kudala like and what was kwakusetshenziswana as a substitute for a roll-on.
Uthi ngani?
Ngithi kudala ilemon. Hey,
what?
Lemon kudala.
Lemon is that.
Hi, but he's actually not wrong. Lemon
is not indigenous.
It's exotic.
But
kudala sibila endulo.
Unfortunately,
When my 40 was 15.
Unfortunately, I saw you grow up.
When my 40 was
I saw you grow up.
I still love you, my brother.
I saw you grow up. Listen, unfortunately, paternity is passed on. Who else can tell us?
But
chief, maybe I'm a chief.
I think
I think we can ask people on my podcast. Abantu abadala 90s.
I think it wasn't a problem because they had nothing to compare against.
Maybe za colonize la marolo uyakwazi. Kodwa how? Sokunukelela kahle lapha.
Kodwa umzwela ugatsheni uhlale nukani qedwe kuphakulula.
Umzwela ugatsheni usenukelela lo gatsheni.
No, I'll ask my granny. She's 95.
Yeah.
I'll ask my granny. But then the other thing is, you can ask my 40 about my granny. She's like she's the slayest of the grannies around. Like she's 95.
All grannies are slayers. Like that whole crew, right? Grandma Snake Queen.
What's this baby? Oh, mama,
like that whole crew.
All slay queens.
Yeah.
Like grannies are slaves.
Oh, praise. If in Ifobogeland, like or 300, okay, theater, like a most local zen. Alessandra zasebenza apha amarolo.
Kongela sepa ndoda babegeza.
But they had nothing to compare against. Wonke umuntu wayevele nuka njalo. They thought it was normal.
So was the flavor of the day.
So ukuthi vela anti
all the perfume.
Dude, what the fuck?
Lavender oil. If you watch like you know those old ones.
This time was the smell of the day. Ralph, this time was the smell of the day.
Yeah, what we flavor, babe?
Flavor of the day like
no.
What the fuck?
Can't be.
Babe chechela gani. We can go down that route as well.
Maybe start.
Auntie Babele turn.
Start or something.
Let's see.
Bezilahlela nga. Bengazilahle ikuphenza sithi kwakuyi flavor of the day.
Ngoba la chechela ngesiqulini. Ningabe ukhuluma ngesiqwani isiqu.
Vele akula muntu echechela ngesiqu. I think into le akula into.
Esimanzi maybe.
Babe ngachechela
utsho mna.
Ngaqeda ukuthi uchawa umumba wakho ukuthi lo sengustesha. Hayi uthi uyebhotsha immediately actually.
Oh.
Kumbe kwaloqethu bambe benza so nje.
Wenzani uchechela ngale mjoveni?
I think that's sekwe kakhulu.
I think le dieting ayile roughage. So yayi
roughage ile particulars.
As like
stick to your palm.
Yeah, kangaka khona le.
Dude. Jaja kona ilandi.
Guys, no,
but I think
I feel like we're deep into this rabbit hole.
No, I think they had nothing to compare against, so it wasn't an issue.
Like
Anyway, ZITF time.
Before you go,
ZITF
I know who Chief Dagameda can give us maybe an accurate answer on. Wow, okay, you keep going left.
Anyway, ZITF is in the house. Where business people are going to be wearing the tags. Ralph. Please,
I don't even know why those tags are so expensive. I was checking my tag and I was like, fuck.
Last year,
I went for the free tag. Jaggy, I will tell you a website on Gena where I'm be free tag.
How much are they?
Last year. Tina.
Mina ngidodwa ngithe emsebenzini. Wena ama-420.
Nangivisitor.
Usufuvula ifoni usufonela ubani?
Ukhumalo ukuzile bakithi.
Uthini?
Uthe how much for abantu abasendi abangikhaya.
I haven't seen how much they're going to charge yet. Now only look.
It should be $10 though.
5 past to 10.
I haven't been to the
$5 to $10, I
ZITF
think.
since I was 9.
No, I'm last year I tasted coke.
Oh, well done.
There's a clip of me doing it.
Yini asina ba test last day kodwa kona kune HIV hayi mbulayo.
Hey, but I'm a state at hello. How do you put it? I'm a state at hello.
But ZITF is in town. Business is about to get booming for a lot of people.
Into lesava le nhloni ukukhuluma last year ku podcast because asibona nisa mislead abantu. Sesingayikhuluma year later. Ukuthi kwa test abantu HIV a trade fair and the results were
very high.
No,
they were high.
No.
Inside ZITF, they were high.
No, my
No,
fault.
dog.
They were high.
My
I
fault.
remember telling you.
Hi, man.
Fela sitshela ngala nguwe futhi.
I remember telling you guys.
Hi, man.
Oh, guys.
I see into
Abe nama states, not ama test HIV abe high. Within ZITF.
Selikonkoti pizza la.
No, I'm telling you. Guys.
High for HIV.
Within, yeah. Like, I want to test
Locally
HIV.
contractor, guys.
ZITF.
Ali, you're not doing safe.
Okay. So assuming it was high and
Within kupela.
within the TTF, and then what information do we get out of it?
Mina ngicela point yami ngaganywa ngama40 njengoba engigamile. Tina, we were told by someone who was very aware of this information. Lathi saye sachaya cabal sathi alokhu singokhuluma uport incese bese kuthiwa sesincourage abantu ukuthi ba test abantu last year and the results were shockingly low. So we didn't want to come on this podcast.
I think next week I'm gonna bring I'm gonna bring the documents saying otherwise.
No, dog.
Uzokhuluma emdzabana abantu la.
Even uvuyo ozwaqina sithi vele yena le theory ukuthi vele chuta isekho like
Hey. And we didn't want to talk about it here.
You have ukuzidepend into zakhe.
No, ikhona.
Yeah, kuba khona.
And mina, okay, I'm going to, maybe someone is going to blast me for this, but I really wish Leana, phephukisa inwele.
Manje ayise.
Yenzisa ama-mumps Leana.
Manje
Ngifuna iphenduke. Why? Because people are being reckless out there.
Vele mina manje
People really think that it's not there anymore.
Lithi nditshele mina, lalani mina. Ungabona ithola these days uyisebenzele. Uyawithwagile. Ayisekho these days wangana.
Ayikho.
Ithini ngikhulume.
Hayi, don't say that for
Ithini ngikhulume.
Someone at ama rate of transmitting alo one.
I think it was something like that.
Yeah, ma40 wena ngoephelwa ezempilakahle.
Anyway,
so nxa ngingayithola angiyitswagile.
Ndoda uyishandele ndoda these days uyisebenza uzuyithole. La uyabusule hit rate yani crazy there. Otherwise ungaphonga lokhu oops lokhana kwe once every 2 months.
Most of the people
Dlala captain
on ARVs and viral loads are impressive. So
yeah,
you're getting it, man, actually, but testing positive.
Ndoda uyabuyikhuhlile ndoda.
So isikhathi sokuthi abanye bafundisa Shona. ZITF time for people to learn Shona.
Mina ndiyakhumbula ukuthi ngakhuluma ukuthi mina ngiyalisebenzela ngase Norton.
Ndebele.
Anjye yakwazi khona. Mina
ngazi ngicontshela.
Are you doing forex trading?
No.
Okay.
Mina ngicontshela ngazi.
Ngaye ngabhala enye into ukuthi lathi masise Harare siyazama ngale.
Oh yeah.
So sisi bethu it's your time now. Ukuthi it's a 50-50 give and take. So athina sikhala khali nxa kuyisikhathi lesi yakwazi ukuthi abanye boni sazonyamalala lithutshe lithi gabe ngifelwe. Ugoge enkayi. Yeah.
Oh, ngesikhathi seZITF.
Business is business.
Teaching Ndebele.
Yeah. Ave ngiyinyanya into nale yakwazi.
You teach me Ndebele.
Teach me Ndebele. Like when you are looking at me.
The pickup lines.
When you are looking at me, I look like a teacher.
Yabezikhale Vivo lapha. Kubo Vivo wathi vele phambi kwe
I have not been clapping.
Business is going to be booming.
Where is it popping?
I have a question probably for Ralph.
It's popping at Cotton Lounge.
I have a question probably for Ralph. Being an exhibitor.
Yeah.
This year again, doc.
Yeah,
bro.
And there's a mini. They have a mini cricket thing in it.
Yeah, you know what, Lita, I just want to talk about my job here. Come on, you're going to get me fired.
No. I know.
But it's going to be lit.
No, but all I'm saying
like, was the next big thing after the ZANU PF stand, because those niggas took the entire hall. Like, they were literally showing us how they behave.
They do that every year. They do that every year. They do that every year.
They just take everything.
So my question is, as an exhibitor, as an exhibitor,
Yes, sir.
Are the right people coming to the stand? Is this like, do you actually get people business or actual business to your stand? Also, one of those.
The fact that we do diplomacy,
Oh, yeah.
part of what we're doing is diplomacy.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the president pulled up and, fist bumped. And he had talks with him.
No,
And then other important people as well pulled up. But then business in quotes, teenage business which doesn't necessarily get driven
Through ZITF.
through things like ZITF and aggressive marketing.
Oh,
Because
lama walk-in.
when people know what they want, they're gonna come.
They'll
to us.
come to you.
Yeah, if you're trying to have rounds, you're gonna come buy the condoms from us.
Yeah.
ngeke sihambe si-encourage abantu ukuthi nankama wena ungela match
Ungela match. So thina abantu vele babuye kithi ngabantu ukuthi vele bese wazi ukumela buye kithi kasela plan.
But your stand is looking dope.
Yeah.
Your stand is looking dope. Like people should.
I think we won something last year. We should win again this time.
Because now you have Lillet Dolan at Downing Street, and that is.
It's crazy, right?
I mean, yeah, it's looking dope.
don't give it away sihambe siyibone
It's looking dope.
don't give away
But
the
yeah,
game.
yeah.
Like kudlula abantu abaningi like uStan Sam.
Yeah. Too much.
Yeah,
Too much. Yeah, I said too much.
Serious?
Even you hold
Yeah, a lot.
all that they're
Get United,
in. Actually, it's the premium hall anyway.
There's US embassy there as well.
Pause that shit boy.
Wait, US embassy like
Yeah.
that's
Ah,
all.
getting some big
Like
boys.
that.
We consider the next big thing after
They're-
Zaire.
they're-
Kule
they're-
Econet food kits.
I got in your hall again.
I need,
Ah,
I,
get
Pause
like-
that shit.
I need to make flyers for
Bakoro,
my
then
next
ngqondo
class
zakho.
thing yawa chatting khona phana.
Yeah, but I think the stands are looking dope.
Maybe like under
Amafuthi lokhu ekhuluma ingcekeza la.
Mafoti loke lika but so Monday anyway, so it's fine. We're gonna be lit.
Look at Ralph as the premium hall.
Ah,
That long as it pause.
pause,
No,
bro.
you guys have a dirty mind. So when you know.
Okay, then my question
And I'm
is,
fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
in general, do you think ZITF is still ZITF?
Effective.
Effective.
I'm not a-
1, 2. Is it still giving the vibes that you that way there when Mafoti was 21?
I think it is. Last year I was there most of the
That should
time.
be 1900, right?
Yes, in 1900.
Mna ngayibona nilokhu idope into nje ingce iCentenary Park. Hayi senzithi iCentenary Park. iLuna Park here maybe usongamele usithola into ezintsha because
Oh, yo, did you see those things?
It's the
Okay,
same
Mina,
fucking
because I
ride.
stay on that street
Liana,
and
you tetanus,
I
Liana,
stay
guys. Can you
on
please
my
take
watch.
that tetanus sleep pack and
I
put it away,
wrote
bro?
those things and I'm not taking my nieces and nephews
Lami.
on those things. No.
ijethi liyana lokhu yisemajethi lawana.
Ngiwabukele from the sidelines and I was like, it's not safe.
Abavali
From
throwback,
afar.
Liana. You tetanus waiting.
They're
to
not
happen,
even
man.
shy. Like, they won't even paint them. That's how bad it is. Like, they won't even paint them.
I mean ilokhu ize ngani ngikhala ngayo
Akusela
iLuna Park.
mabhotsi.
Umuntu olethenda liyana but
Last time I checked, I
emayikhini
don't
baba.
know if you sold it. I would have to look for the information.
Like the original guy from
I
when,
think at
when
some
you were
point
still
Delma once owned it.
Ulupepe.
Yeah. At some point, I think,
Yeah, no,
if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, you
Yes.
should be around.
Then,
It's
but
in
I'm
the
not sure who owns it now. But yeah, but it's hard to bring that stuff in though.
Yeah.
It's hard to bring
No,
that
it
stuff in.
is.
I
The
can tell.
engineering required, also the permits and stuff. It's yeah.
I do not refute that. My thing is, paint the things.
Or just put them away so was seal.
Yeah, and let it go. Let it go. Like, it's okay.
But
if you let it
I
go.
like Rao's thing. Let's put it away.
Yeah.
Try face paint
Yeah.
yochinda I'm done.
Ah, this is Julian. I don't know if it's
For me, it's the
Facebook.
right TF. For me, it's the right
The trophy
TF.
apple.
I think it for those whose business require that type of thing, it works.
Yeah.
It works for those people. It works for those people whose business is driven by that type of engagement. It works. But if your business is not for that, it's not for that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I believe there are businesses who actually get a lot of money.
And I understand
But also-
Scholastica.
Can I say something?
Yeah.
Also, apart from OT, whether it does Ghana or whatever, it's also kind of a vanity metric that companies actually need, which I'm not mad at.
Okay.
Yeah.
If our
Yeah.
company is on display, it whatever.
Yeah.
You know, it's a vanity metric for rappers saying, "Oh, I'm signed to a record label." It might not necessarily improve your core
like your
audience, or
buzz.
whatever,
Yeah.
but it's like a vanity metric to say, gents. But it
Def Jam,
can
GG.
make you also go and charge more afterwards. Teloti,
I love that.
yeah,
But
didn't
are
increase.
we still, are we advertising it as much as we used to? Because
No,
I haven't seen.
Are you the target market? That's another question.
Dog,
I mean,
back then it was
a
like
thing.
it was a culture
It was
thing.
a culture. It was a culture in
Karesi
Bulawayo.
is like
you
a
had
business
to be
thing.
there.
No, I think it still is. No, I think
Or
it
it
still
is
is.
naturally,
You think it's still a culture?
or it has naturally corrected itself to be a
Yeah,
business thing,
I think it is.
not a culture thing that it was.
But it's supposed to be both, though. Because it's that period where Bulawayo comes alive of some sort.
Mina
You know,
last year.
we were looking growing up. We were looking forward for ZITF. We were looking
Yes.
forward to ZITF.
Andele ngabantwana.
Kwakuyi ZITF for
Also
Christmas.
sasingela-
Lalingabantwana.
Kwakuyi
Like,
ZITF
sasingela
for Christmas.
amafoni,
Eh,
didn't
lalingela-
have internet.
ngela Netflix.
But then
Yeah.
I guess you're right. Yeah,
still okay.
Guess it's
Mina-
now it's gone to its original.
Yeah,
Factory settings.
And I understand Scholastic is going to be like its own expo now.
Yeah.
Oh,
That, it shows growth. It shows growth. shows growth. No, I think it was enjoying like what my intro does. I think. Yeah, I think they're gonna do something like that. If I'm not mistaken.
Is Intwasa still going to be there this year?
Intwasa is in September.
Love it.
Oh, okay.
But what do you call Sangana has been moved. Mutara, I think.
I heard,
Uteni?
yeah.
Sangana has been moved.
Oh yeah, Sisangana Ihlangana. Oh, tourism.
Tourism Expo.
It's a tourism expo.
It's
So
been
issue ya Bulani is Mtaro.
I guess so.
Oh.
I guess so. I understand why they would do that.
No,
I actually
stopped
support it.
with ITF and I started
Because the tourism thing can't be based in one
concentrating
city.
on
Go
the
around.
rest.
If you're selling the country, go around different areas, sell it. Yeah.
If you are selling your board game,
Sell it everywhere. Anyway, bro.
so like
Follow where your customers are.
So
Follow where your customers are.
So you have solo teach me very much.
Alright.
Yeah.
What teach me the way? They're just one niggas. Just
so ilokho then since abantu begcwala lapha ama accommodations aminjani ama prices.
obviously
they're like
prices go up because of demand.
Yeah.
BNB's prices go up, hotels prices go up. So, which is why I think they want to build a new hotel up on Ascot Lapana, Race Course.
Oh, that'll be a dope location.
Because
as well.
apparently they're going to do it like more sporting facilities and stuff like that. That's the plan.
everything does that, but they'll be selling us drinks.
That's what City Council apparently wants to do.
Like a
Cindy
Godin,
Godin.
But the court is really operate.
ngabe bayichinjana ayikhona
Hey,
kuqala.
and defend the court in him. Very please. I think really run at 30-40% capacity.
I think it's 10%.
Nina likhala ngegodi, nangikhala ngesisi la venue esuke Harare Road lapha ejoin esiyangale.
Look at I'm shooting into it.
2 days there.
But did you realize this week, did you see this what they're doing? They were pitching up my portals in town. Was it right here?
And
Namba nizolo kupendu Arachi lapha.
bayabenzele ukuthi kuyadlula khona upresident.
and if
Am I signatures amaning? That's what they
Yikho
do.
abakuqinela.
aparo sisi umele bemfix. But
The president of
Eh,
president of-
kukhona nje kodwa kuyindlela okuhamba
the
ngakho.
president of Mozambique.
That's
is the
how
one
bad
official-
it is. Ama-gateways azavula indlela phakathi komgwaqo.
I think the president of Mozambique is the one official opening this year.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah.
anokenesikhothisa lapha
Did you see?
eMozambique.
Did you see your president Nampia? Nampia also got his first female president,
Yeah.
Mhm.
and she also
Halala.
added visas for
Americans.
coming to Namibia.
Oh yeah, I
Anyway,
saw
that
that
was
today
like
in
weeks
the morning.
ago. They were immediate. That now, so people got deported that day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was immediate, bro.
I feel like that concept should also be applied SA.
Africa yonke.
I think for me, Africa should be borderless.
That's
For me,
always
I
been
think
No,
I think Africa should-
Americans should be
As-
getting this. Like
like
dude,
South
these
Africa
guys
is
are
mini
leaving their
America, so
country
they
and
don't
coming
do
and
that.
living large.
South Africa is mini America. They won't do that.
Nah, they're not
They won't
here
do
today. They're here to also.
I
spend
just
some
believe
of the
Africa
money.
should be borderless. That whole what Namibia and Botswana do, you can just cross your ID.
Ah,
Like, I think we should get that.
we do need that.
Yeah.
Why wouldn't? Why are
It's
you
gonna work.
refusing? Why are you refusing?
I'm refusing because of how
You niggas are gonna abuse. First fix your country.
Yes,
then
I was
open.
about to say that. How contentious our situation is with SA right now.
Abe-Sweden bavulela abe-Netherlands labe-France
Yeah.
because they know they're all
And
all those
back in,
niggas.
you do
Right.
realize that in Sweden,
Oh,
you can
laba
actually
lithi
walk
nafu,
for
lithi
15
zihamba
blocks
sendukela
without
abantu
bumping into trash.
VIP siyakwanisa
Nationalism.
ushiye
That
isitulo.
could have sogasela bandebele
Lalalini,
kobulawa.
Machins.
So bekwazi abantu
Lalalini,
abe-
Machins. This has been done several times. It doesn't work like that. And Mina, I had the same argument. I actually sat with the Namibian ambassador to France, Portugal, and Spain. I was with him in SA. I spent a whole day with him, and he was telling me about this, and it came up. And then I said to him, I voiced the same concerns. And then he broke down to me, Uti, it actually doesn't work like that. A lot of people underestimate how people are attached to a cultural home. Yeah. The only reason abantu besuka la besiya ngale balanda economy le rand la ngale. But if you can bring that here, no one would fucking leave. Was why I forgot the stats because it was a while ago.
That's what I'm saying. First, fix your countries and open.
No. But it actually doesn't work like that. It balances itself out. This guy even mentioned to me do you know how fucking horrible Portugal is? Or maybe since the Kenyan in Kulmelo, but he was telling me you need 12 ngama surrounding locals
countries.
Yeah, and he was saying they have the same thing, and people don't leave home because business land once you open borders, it will just find its way here. That's how markets work. That it will just find its way here. It will find a new market here. You won't have the need to move. I can't quote him verbatim, bro. But he convinced me. He spoke so much.
Eventually, even like eventually things
they'll balance out.
They'll balance out.
But the immediate problems that would come
the
about.
rate at which those things will balance out.
Do you know what he actually said? He actually said it's not
a century
when you're opening up. It's not the bad countries that are an issue. It's usually the good ones because they are under this idea which everyone's gonna come rushing in. Listen, there's gonna be a first influx first year.
Definitely.
But it evens itself out, check. Once you find out you can earn the same 8,000 rands, why would I bother going there? It doesn't work like that.
I feel like that actually happened to us that time when we thrived for a minute.
Happened to
you
Gabon.
remember? We thrived.
yeah.
People came back home.
Yeah, I
People came
to
back home and they were like,
You thrived.
So somebody else
did.
cut.
No, I'm
did.
just saying-
In
I'm
that
saying
moment, I
we-
did.
No, but
And
Yeah,
then now
we're
I get to
we're
feel
good.
like-
We're good in the Berks. We're good.
yeah.
Yeah, we
Good
were
in the
good.
Berks,
People
though.
were fine with their lives. You know, civil servants were.
Like where
You
UK
know.
happened to.
Yes, civil servants
I
were
remember
living
that
their
part.
best life.
Abantu baphenduka,
Yeah.
ngabili
And
indaba
then
lakho.
things stopped again.
It
These
happened.
people talk.
Will
People
not
in the
dwell on
UK,
it
we
too
all
much.
speak to people in the UK here. They hate the fact that they are over there.
No, they
My
do.
brothers always said to me, like, dude, if Zim tomorrow, everything is okay and sharp,
they'll
I
come
can do
back.
I'll come back to Zim and do my stuff.
All of us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, I don't like being where I am, but it is what it is.
Don't worry about that. Look, Valley, if we open up borders, kuzabale first Tatazel. But the Tatazel, Diana, it's just like an adjustment
Yeah, but that is
period.
not.
Kuzabale adjustment period,
Yeah.
and then it settles back down. And the
Like
next thing you
every
know,
other exciting-
Because what I'm
exciting
saying so
thing.
because I think the Namibia and the Botswana border don't have that they don't have that role.
yeah, but both those
But
countries are very
both
stable.
those countries are fine too. That's what I'm saying.
No,
let's try to address a bit of issues here, especially Africa. Africa, kule member liyani ngibe Cameroon engupresident ngibile ngikakiyeze ehamba ngosigodo nje dubeyisa abantu.
How to Kenya? How to
No Ruto.
Cameroon.
Cameroon iyendala ndoda. uTrump wayencedisa ukugqoka ama-hearing aid mbo wayencedisa ukugqoka kade kumele bakhulume. That was embarrassing. Why wayencediswa nguPutin man not nguTrump?
ngeSudan yaseSudan leya ingwani leya
Hey, ingwani.
yeSudan leyana esehlule kuku
Akwanisa ukuhamba ungayisikiza ngempama iyehla ife leyana.
it was bad. It was that bad. Like it was that bad. Like it was that bad.
Joke. Remember leziyana.
Yeah,
So
obviously.
Slama housekeeping amalutshwana.
yes,
No, yes.
a little housekeeping, yes.
Yes.
But I'm not saying we don't have to get to a point
We don't
where
have
it's
to be
like
perfect, yeah.
Yeah,
Foot
but we
open
just
up.
need
Few
to.
housekeeping issues, yeah.
We do
But how
want
do we-
eventually to have a system, Euro system, yokuthi they can just cross into each other's countries freely and just do their thing. But like we were saying, Guti, how crappy Portugal is or whatever. I have a Spanish friend who works at the embassy of theirs here. She was also saying, Guti, guys, no man, it's tough in my country. I'm enjoying here. I'm a king. As opposed to where I'm coming from. Like I'm actually now breadwinning for my family. Like I'm the one providing from this end than
Damn.
when I was home. So
it
it's
is.
amazing. It's amazing what we can achieve if we focus our thing.
I know this person doesn't watch this, so I'm okay. So I'm a salon, right? I'm a salon. How are you? We're on holiday in America, guys. I want to work to me. I remember that. I looked at it. I'm like, you were in America, and you're telling me to what? Don't think people were in America or America itself.
tricky.
On America, the Americans
Yeah.
buy that to work in America.
Yeah. Have you not watched that thing, the
Damn.
poverty pandemic thing where people are sleeping outside in the streets or whatever? You haven't watched it? Guys,
But-
watch these things.
but
They
for
will
me-
make you not want to go.
Onu Rav in
They'll make you
housekeeping.
stay
right?
at home.
Onu Rav in housekeeping. you know, the sad part is it's supposed to be a generational thing. That generation that need to come in and change with the way things are done, right?
Lina livula ma podcast la.
Probably
Please.
You're never gonna change the country.
The problem is, our generations over a period of time are adopting the same mentality as the previous generation. That's how sad it is. We are gonna generate the same corruptness that the other generations have.
I'd like to differ with you on that one.
Yeah.
I think we're getting to an impasse. We're now tired. What KP said when he began the thing. Like,
rather
we're now tired. Like, I'm now just looking for money for me to be able to be comfortable and afford certain luxuries, pay my Netflix, pay for my Amazon Prime, pay for my Wi-Fi, have electricity, pay for my water bill, have somewhere where I'm not paying rent anymore. That's what we're fighting for now. We're really tired.
Maybe if we're not
Do
careful.
you not feel tired? Maybe I'm speaking for ourselves.
I'm not feeling
I'm speaking
Ah,
for
you've been tired for a very long time.
I've been tired.
Episode there. I think what you know to mean tefe.
for that bed.
Akukho that bad.
Ngadithola ukuthi.
Aye, akukho that bad.
Anyway.
A friend of
but
mine,
yeah.
also I know, like,
Guys,
she
it's
won't watch
Easter.
this.
Your message for Easter.
A friend of mine was saying how she's been wanting to die. Then people that she knows started dying. Then it triggered her.
The fuck?
I don't want to die.
But Tina akasafuni.
I don't
No,
wanna die.
kumtrigile ukuthi, oh, okay, guys, is it that bad? Like, she started to wonder,
What the
like,
fuck?
have I been moaning? Like, is it that
The
bad?
permanence of death is scary.
Yeah, that's
Yeah. Anyway, it's
Yeah.
Easter, guys. Easter messages.
Yeah, by the time this comes out, people will be nursing hangovers. But he is risen. And the episode
Isivukile imvana.
He's risen. A little touch on religion. I don't know how much longer we still have to talk here.
Yeah, let's not take too long. But
Yeah.
I was just wondering, maybe do you guys think part of the impasse that we're having
Yeah.
with religion and everyday life is indlela esiphila ngayo has slowly evolved, the culture and but maybe also some of these religions are still too
Richard.
do they need to start evolving a little bit? Because what you are selling is kind of a template for people to live, and the way people live on these other pillars, pillars is culture, society, religion, let's say,
And
the
family.
education, let's say.
Mm.
The family will put it under society.
Yeah.
All of these have kind of moved since the last 2,000 years. Alright, and then we're still stuck here on I don't know.
so yena ufuna sibe senza na.
Angwazi.
Sithi letha ama blessings, god damn.
But my
iBhayibheli
most
libhalweni.
recently I got
No,
questioning.
and
I got questioning my religion, Christianity. I really got questioning it because, you know, there's a person who said, "Usatano, Satan was Zurin." But if you read the stories about Job, Satan was presented himself as Zurin. So Satan does visit heaven.
Yeah,
I mean, that's
Yeah,
what's
you're really
that's what's
sounding like an
coming in my head.
ignorant dumb bitch. After Jesus sifa bamkhathele ivisa yakhe uyezulwini kasahambi.
That's what happened.
Yeah.
Kubhalema.
I
Kubhaliwe, dude.
I don't want to.
No,
I'm not. I know stuff about the Bible,
Yeah.
but I don't know much.
Ukufa kwaJesu changed a lot of things. That's why even le veli temple yadabuka dog. Like,
So
come
my
on, a lot
temptations
of
now
things
are
changed
there.
there.
What Job went through? If we're going through it, kwenza kanjani?
No,
Job
guys.
was a righteous man.
I really feel like into lena ega Job was likely a metaphor food. Can you
No,
also
but-
Job
okay.
apala Moses?
No, also Job was a
Do you know
righteous
that?
man. He didn't do anything. He just
There was
went
this
through
why
what
one
he
Bali
went
Job's
through.
Ganegwan?
apala- It could be. And was. It could be.
Okay.
Never have zero comment.
But he was a righteous man.
Yep.
He went through what he went through because there's a lesson.
So
to
that's
learn.
That's what I'm
we're
saying.
going through.
Yeah,
Are we
that's what I'm
righteous?
saying.
That we're going through
So
all
do
this
I know this
because the Bible
information?
Romans 8 verse 6.
Oh.
To be carnally minded is death.
Hey!
Ezinye izinto okuzozizwisisa
you have to
izinto
die.
zikamoya kumele uzizwisise ngokomoya.
Yeah, mfundisi awusishayelele Easter lapho.
Culture Easter.
To be carnally minded is death. Manje these days abafana sebetshintshile uthiwa sebekufaka ngemva kwesikipha se-stars 29 khona lo. Abafana sebesenza
But
so.
yeah, kule inyanga umfundise nganye yathi abanye benu you are too clever. You negotiate your way to hell.
That's true.
Like you become too smart.
Oba-
You start
oba
questioning.
dumb.
Yeah.
Pusiswa.
You can't be in love ngengqondo zeni lezi.
Pusiswa.
Njengomafoti.
Yeah.
I can't be what?
You can't be in love, you.
Says who?
Because you're too clever.
Say it's him. He's saying it.
I've been in.
What happened?
Who's
Been
matching
in-
your IQ?
Ufana nomnye umngane wami wathi I've been in 6
Chris, don't
successful
mention my IQ,
relationships.
in the- I
No,
can't
who
couple.
is matching your IQ?
Very few people.
So are you?
Yeah.
After all, why SMP?
Yeah. This has been a good one. This has been a good
Thank
one.
you
Like-
guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment,
And share.
and share.
Sure.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
This has been another great cook, episode 170. What? Yeah, we're 30 weeks away
Now
from
wait
two
for it.
clips.
Wait for it. The slap.
Yeah, the slip is coming right up. Just thank you for watching. One
Thank you for
hour,
watching.
34
For
minutes.
watching. Just for the slap.
The slip is coming.
Are you ready, my guy?
I'm so quiet. I mean.
Yes.
See you guys. Thank you for watching.